I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Reading Extreme 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, indeed you're looking for Reading Extreme 3D app, or just click on search. So then here add Reading Extreme 3D app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here. You search here for Reading Extreme 3D app. You just uh, so you search for Reading Extreme 3D app. You will find it. If you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.